there, I am Heather down in Atlanta, Georgia, and like you, I am busy making my Christmas list. Now, I know that it can be very difficult to find unique gifts, especially if you have out of town friends and family members. Well, we at DeChico's, we have the solution for you. It is the Peri-Peri Holiday Gift Set. What's included in this gift set is 4 of our best sellers, along with a couple extra gifts. What they're gonna receive is number 1, our Peri-Peri Marinade. Now this is the secret to authentic South African peri-peri chicken. It goes great in mayonnaise or veganaise to make perinase, which is absolutely a fan favorite. Number 2, you're gonna receive our mild peri-peri sauce. This is great for the whole family. It has a lot of flavor, very low heat. In fact, this is our daughter's favorite sauce to use, not only for chicken, but on veggies and anywhere she's snacking. Number 3 is my personal favorite. I love this one. This is the garlic peri-peri. It's medium heat level. I love the flavor. And one of my favorite things to do with it is when I need a quick, delicious appetizer, I'll pour it over some cream cheese, serve with crackers. Everybody loves it. And finally, our number 1 best-selling product is our hot peri-peri sauce. Now, this is the gold standard for peri-peri. Peri-peri is known for flavor while having heat. So anywhere that you might want to pop or to heat up a dish, as far as heat goes, this is gonna bring it, and the flavor is out of this world. Now we're gonna throw in a couple extra gifts into this gift pack. We're gonna give them a bonus bottle, which is our lemon and herb, great with seafood. Also, they're gonna receive a recipe card and maybe another little gift. And then also, if you would like, we can do a note for you, a handwritten note to the recipient when they receive it, which is just that extra personal touch. So we are so excited to offer this. We know that this is a great solution. You simply need to go to dechicos.com, find the holiday gift set. Check this out. It's only $32.96. That includes shipping. That includes the free gift. You go in, you order it, put the shipping address to your recipient, or you can get it for yourself, of course. We will ship it to them, and if you want us to include a note, make sure to put that in the notes, and voila, taken care of. So thank you so much for listening, and just think about how excited they'll be to get this really cool, unique product gift set along with recipes, but also knowing that it's supporting a small local business. All of it is 100% made in the USA, and we are so grateful for you. Happy holidays.